Hello and welcome to this episode of Alpha Tech Talks. I'm Luis Borrego from Alpha Technologies, and today we have a very special guest with us in studio to go through the Arec DS-AC1 with us. With me in studio, I have Boris Polyakov. Boris, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Boris, can you explain to us a little bit about the DS-AC1?
Of course. So DS-AC1 is this new control station from us. This device combines features of video switching, video streaming, and control. Has many different video outputs that you can use to connect HDMI, USB, network, and other kinds of video and audio sources into it, and output it to multiple displays at a time. It also allows you to stream a particular video output, and it also allows you to control other devices in the room.
All right, so Boris, what are some of the unique features that this DS-AC1 has to offer?
So one of the first and most important unique features of the DS-AC1 is that it is a control station which has the interface for control already inside it, and you do not need to do any programming to set it up. Behind me, on this display, you see an interface which is generated by the DS-AC1. So you are able to customize this interface according to your needs. On the left side of the interface, we have the controls for the video outputs. Video output A, video output B, and video output C. Clicking on any of these buttons allows you to switch which video source is displayed through this video output. In here, this is where you can set up your control commands and control buttons. You can divide them into different lists and have as many as you want. In one list, you can have 16 buttons for commands, and you can have as many lists as you want. So what does these allow you to do? For instance, if I press right now show Panacam, the image disappears for a couple of seconds as the DS-AC1 is transitioning to showing you a different video source. So if we press show camera again, same thing happens, and now we are seeing the video output from the main camera over here. If I show you my computer, we are able to see the back panel of the DS-AC1, and so on. So let's jump back to the camera for now. With the DS-AC1, you're able to control devices by TCP/IP and by other ways. In this case, for instance, these are the commands that would be used with the control relays and network and other types of connections. But if we wanted to, for instance, control specifically the media stations, then we could use the inbuilt feature of the DS-AC1. You can select the media station you want to control from the list and operate different features of it. For instance, change the active theme. Like so. You want to display more video sources? You're also able to do this. And then, if you wanted to, for instance, control a specific video source, maybe you would like to activate a joystick function, there is also a place for that in this interface. So just here, I have the controls over my camera. I can control it with presets. I can control it with a joystick as well. And this solution, like I said, does not require any software. It is third-party compatible, so you could see the camera I am using right now is an Alphatron camera. So it makes for a good solution to combine with other products.
Okay, that's pretty interesting. And now, Boris, you had mentioned quite a few different ways of connecting it. Can you explain to us what are the actual physical connections on the unit?
Of course. So for that, let's just jump to showing my computer. And here, on this slide right now, you are seeing the different connectors that are on the DS-AC1. On the back, there are control relays. So you could simply connect the cables for that. There is also GPIO, multiple. There is RS-232, 3 of them to control other devices. One also as an input to control the DS-AC1. Then there is also RS-485, which you can also use to control other devices. This DS-AC1 is able to control devices through network. You can do up to 8 TCP connections at a time. And this also supports infrared input and infrared output. So that's the DS-AC1. This solution is perfect for any time when you are looking for a simple control station, for where something like a more sophisticated control panel perhaps would be a bit too much, with extra functions.
Okay. This brings us to the end of the episode. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button to never miss any new content. For more information on these products and other products from Alpha Technologies, please visit www.alpha-tec.co.za. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.